Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differentiation. So I have two equations in here, so I will show you the technique how to answer all them. First, we do first derivative of 3 over x. You will get about negative 3 over x square. First derivative of x, you got about number 1. First derivative of 1 over y. In this situation, you got about s of y. First derivative of y over y square equal to 0. And now we put this one on the right. So you got about negative s of first derivative of y over y square. So we simplify the negative. Later that we multiply with y square and divide by s. And this is the answer. Next, we go to this one. So, in this situation, we do first derivative of x. Later that we do first derivative of cosine y. So you got about cosine y plus a negative first derivative of y multiplied with s, and you got about sine y. Later that we do first derivative of y. You got about first derivative of y in here, sine s plus y cosine s equal to 0, because first derivative of negative number 1 is about 0. Now we can do about factorization of first derivative of y. Negative s multiplied with sine y plus sine s equal to negative y cosine s negative cosine y. To find first derivative of y, we just divide of this one. And this is the answer.